Yeah. Came in 17. Damn.
Hi folks, Dutchy here from Dutch Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to use up some of that leftover turkey. We're going to be cooking in the Dutch oven on the wood-fired stove. And we're making this turkey jambalaya. Don't forget to screenshot the ingredients. So our Dutch oven's warmed up, and all we're going to add is about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. We'll let this get up to heat, and then we'll add 1 chopped onion. So we're just going to cook this onion off for a couple of minutes, just till it starts going translucent. We don't want any colour on it. I'm just going to pull this to one side of the Dutch oven now. Then we're going to add 5 rashers of streaky bacon. Just even this out in the bottom of the pot. Just going to let it cook. Let it reduce some of that fat into the pot. To that we're going to add 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces of chorizo. Just going to start cooking this chorizo down. We want it to release those nice oils. As you can see, the oils are being released from that chorizo. It's putting a nice paprika flavour into everything. To that we're going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves. Just cook this garlic off for about a minute. Stir it all in. To the pot we're going to add 1 chopped red pepper, 1 chopped green pepper, 2 chopped celery sticks, give these a good mix in, and we're just going to saute these off for about 3 or 4 minutes just to start softening. Building some really vibrant colours now in this pot. Make this a little bit more luxurious now. We're going to add 50 grams, that's 1.5 ounces of butter. We're just going to allow this to melt. It's melted, we'll just give it a good stir in. Now it's time to add our rice. We've got 250 grams, that's 8 ounces of long grain rice. I'm just going to stir this through the pot. We want this rice to absorb the fat. As you can see, the grains are starting to turn a little bit translucent as it absorbs that fat up. A little bit more exuberance here. We're going to add half a glass of white wine. Just let this boil off for about a minute just to burn the alcohol off. It's only the flavour of the wine we want. One last stir. Now we're going to add some seasonings. This is 2 tablespoons of Cajun Spice mix. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and about 5-6 dashes of hot chili sauce, about half a teaspoon. Now we've got 1 tin of chopped tomatoes and 2 cups of chicken stock. Give this a good thorough mix, all these flavours combined. Look at the colour of that, we know this is going to taste good. Right, here goes our leftover turkey. It's probably about 250 grams. 150 grams, that's 3 ounces of Polish sausage. This is no way authentic, but this is my method. So we're going to put the lid on. And this is cooked now for about 15 minutes. As you can see, the fluid has reduced a bit as the rice is starting to absorb that up. The rice is not quite cooked, so we're going to put the lid on and we'll go for another 5 minutes. So most of the moisture now has been absorbed by the rice. The rice is soft, with just that little bit of a bite, so I'm calling this ready. This is Dutchy's turkey jambalaya, served with some spring onions, parsley, a slice of lemon and some good old crusty bread.